Good day, traders. This is Rick with your Futures Trading Coach Aftermarket Update for the Live Trading Alert Room. Today is Friday, January 10th. Today there was 4 opportunities that were called out in the room. 3 of them were our basic trades. There was 3 winners and 1 loser today. The losing trade was an advanced trade. Not all people took it because it did not meet the criteria, as the people in the call room know about advanced trades. So for most people, it was 3 winners if they took them, or however many winners out of however many they took. And for a few people, there was a loser. However, they would have still done very well on the day anyway. So here's the trades we took. Okay, the first trade was called in crude oil. That was 8:06 a.m. Central Standard Time. The price was 92.65, and we got short around where you see these red arrows. There's actual multiple entries here. And I said that trade should be good for 15 to 20 pennies. It went about 24 pennies or so. So everybody could have gotten filled at either 15 or 20 pennies. And that was a real nice winner for us there to start out the morning. Now, the second trade came in the ES, and the price there was 35.50. Okay, it was 8:45 Central Standard Time. And that one was good for you. See where that one went. That one you could have gotten as much as you wanted to. Now, most likely, it would have been, the trade went 8+ points. So it just, you could have gotten whatever you wanted. It just depends on how many contracts you had. And we have targets along the way. There was one at 3 points, there was one at 2 points, there was one at 3 points, and we said that if you could hold and you had enough contracts, if the market got down to what was the price here? If the market got down to 31.75, we would get short again at 32. Now that could have been either a new trade or an add-on from above. So we got either an add-on from above, or it was a new trade here at 32, and that one went down to that one went up to 4 points there. Now when it got down here, we knew that there might be a potential problem around here, and I recommended that most people get out of the trade somewhere in this area, 28.50, 28, anywhere in there. So that was a trade where you could have gotten up to 8 points on that trade, depending on where you got in from and where you were at. So beautiful trade. The next trade we had in the final trade of the day was our loser. We did announce in advance that it was a advanced trade. Advanced trade must meet 2 pieces of criteria in order to take the trade. 1, you must be up significantly on the day. And 2, you must take it with reduced size, ideally significantly reduced size. So most people were not in this trade because if you're only a 1 or 2 lot trader, you wouldn't be in the trade. But for those who did take it, it was a loser. We got long here. Our average was about 31 long. And we were in this trade for about 45 minutes. Even the people who were in the trade, there was ample opportunity here to get out at a couple tick profit, which we did mention. Because when you're in a trade for 45 minutes, at some point you want the trade to kind of go. And we had basically said, if you get out, if you feel like you need to get out, if you're up on the day, and you don't mind staying in, then certainly you can hold it and you understand the risks. So that trade did not work. However, like I said, most people in the room were not even in it. But it was a losing trade for those who took it. However, they would have made 15 to 20 pennies on oil, and they would have made 4 to 8 points over here on the ES, and they still would have done fairly well for the day. So we're going to come back and we're going to do it again tomorrow on Monday. Or not, I'm sorry, this is the weekend. We're going to come back on Monday. So I want everybody to have a happy and safe weekend. And until Monday, see you then. Bye-bye.